Howdy folks, Gerry Sadorra here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you on a tour of the beautiful Franklin Park Conservatory here in Columbus, Ohio. The conservatory is located in Franklin Park, right off of East Broad Street, probably a mile or two east of downtown Columbus. I visited the conservatory in March of 2023 with a few friends. Join us as we explore the conservatory, the grounds, and share some helpful information. I'll also throw the drone up to capture some aerial footage, so stick with me. The colorful and floral glass up ahead is a sample of the Chihuly exhibition. It's a permanent collection of the Chihuly's glass artwork that you'll find throughout the conservatory. And don't forget to visit the Botanical gift shop. The conservatory is home to a wide variety of plants from around the world, including tropical plants, succulents, and cacti. There are also seasonal exhibits that change throughout the year, so there's always something new to see. We're currently walking through the North Conservatory section that features exotic plants, seasonal exhibitions, and culinary gardens. Another highlight of my visit was the butterfly exhibit. The South Conservatory is a special room where you can see hundreds of butterflies up close. It was amazing to see all the different colors and patterns. At the Metamorphosis Lab, you can see the different life cycle stages of the various butterflies. If you're lucky, you'll see one emerge from its cocoon. One of my favorite exhibits was the orchid display. The show house has a huge collection of orchids, and they were all in full bloom. It was truly a sight to see. Amongst the gardens are several themed selfie stations throughout the show house. Overall, I had an amazing time at the Franklin Park Conservatory with my friends. If you're ever in Columbus, Ohio, I highly recommend checking it out. Enjoy the aerial footage, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.